Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be trying to recreate this look by Judastape from Instagram. Starting with foundation first, and I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. Along with our concealer, I'm using the Armani Beauty Luminous Silk Concealer in 03. For eyebrows, I'm using the Convertible Brow in 02. Now I'm carving my eyebrows, and I'll be using the concealer from Too Faced, Born This Way. Okay, now for eyeshadow, I'll be using the Norvina Pro Palette Volume 1, as well as Beauty Bay Bright 42 Color Palette, and the Gourmandy Girls Love Christina Volume 2 Palette. To begin with, we're going to start packing in the color, so grab your eyeshadow and tap, 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 and pack in the color. Once we start to blend in the color, we're going to add the darker purple and then eventually navy and a little bit of black so we can get a little more of a transition from dark to light. Now that we're done blending, we're going to start to carve it's a little bit of a heart shape in our crease, and before we do that, I'm going to grab some eyeshadow remover and now I'm applying the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I'm applying a little bit of a magenta shade, and again, just tap it in and then add in a little bit of orange on top of the pink and blend it. Go ahead and tap in a purple shimmer on your lid. Now I'm just packing in a blue shade under my waterline. I'm using a blue gel liner from Shop Miss A, and now let's apply our highlighter. And the look is complete. Please go ahead and like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.